everybody. I decided to go ahead and video myself painting a page, a journal page in my granddaughter's art journal. I only got 2 more pages left to do, and I decided to go ahead and videotape this so that you can see how I paint. But it's just a little something to leave my grandchildren, just different things that I like, that I think they would like, some Bible verses that I would like for them to remember, and just different sayings of encouragement for them as they grow, and in the years ahead as they come back and look at this journal, that it will encourage them in some way. So that's my prayer for it. And today I'm going to paint a beach theme, a beach picture, like a path going into the beach. I love taking pictures of beach paths. They're so pretty, and so that's what I'm going to do. Kind of following a picture, but at the same time we'll be putting my little twist to it. So anyway, here it goes. Okay, here I am at the table, and I'm going to paint. I'm just going to use this part because I'll paint a different picture here. So here we go. I like to try to, let me start with some white. I'm just using gesso for my white, and I'm going to use some light paleo blue for the sky. I'm gonna kind of make this sort of like a either sunset or sunrise, whatever it wants to be, but I want to have. Okay, I've added some sunset type colors, yellow, kind of a buffy white, a little bit of orange, and some white to put some of those colors in the sky. Making the clouds a little more fluffier here. Just took a piece of tissue and did that. Let's see. Put in some stronger colors. with the ocean colors, which is going to be a little bit more blue with sort of like a teal color. This one's pretty. Get one that's a little darker. Oops, too much. Okay. Yeah. All right. Put some of this in there. The thing with the horizon is you got to get that straight. So using a brush that has a straight edge really helps. I love this ocean teal color blue. So pretty. As you get closer to the foreground, the color should be a little bit lighter. Uh-oh, getting a storm. And it shouldn't, you need to have different tones of blue because, you know, water is moving around and you want it to feel like it's, you know, it's not one solid color of the same color. There's things mixed up in there, and you got the ocean bottom kind of reflecting off of it too. And as you get closer to the front, you're going to have some of that sand color. So mix some of that in there with the blue. Okay, I think I'm running out of thing here, so I didn't want to make that too big. Okay, I'm going to start putting my sand in. And this is where they're kind of like a sandy color, buff white, or okay, got my beach path. Just gonna go up through here. Get some more of that sandy color. Get some of this brown, sort of more like a caramel color. And I'll put some more. It's a good color to use too would be gray. Gray here. Okay, this is a very light gray. All right. I like it just like that. Whoops. I like it just like that. Very simple. But I did want to put some coconut trees. I love coconut trees when the wind's blowing through them. It's just so dreamy. With my gray and my brown here, I'm gonna make sort of like a beach post. I'm making it big and because this is in the foreground. And then as I go in, it's going to be a little smaller and a little bit smaller as I go in like that. Make one on this side too. Okay, we get a little bit of a darker color here. So I'm going to put some shading. I think I'm going to switch my brush because this is getting to be more detailed here. So let's see. Get a smaller brush. All right. I'm making it dark along the bottom. I figure this sort of is where this light's coming from. So I'm going to make my lighter areas on this side and my darker areas on that side. Mix some of that gray in there because the wood on the beach is usually weathered. It looks kind of grayish looking. Alright, and then on this side, the shadow is on this side. Maybe even coming down this way. Actually, it's going back towards the back here. Okay, I think that's what I'm going to do right now. Just to get this. Let me just put some of this yellows. Once I stop, I'm going to lose all this paint. Let me put some of that yellow as a highlight. Let me just put some of that here. Putting these little things because you know how people, when they walk, the sand gets all scrunched up. It's all scrunched up. I don't have any little footprints. I'm not doing too much here because I think I'm gonna put some sea oats. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna put some sea oats in here. And I think we're gonna have coconut tree come out on this side, and maybe on this side I'm gonna put some sea grapes leaves, because I really like those. All right, we'll see you later. Okay, I'm back. I'm gonna try painting the coconut trees, and because they're gonna be behind this path and behind the sea oats that I'm gonna be painting. So I'll paint them first, and I've got some different shades of green here, a little bit of yellow because of the golden light that's coming from the sunset, and some different shades of brown and white and yellow. So this is what I'm going to be painting from. Love coconut trees. They just add so much to I guess I'll put one right here. So you should use this brush with the sharp edge, with the straight edge. Curve so fast. Just get that out of there. What I did is I dipped this brush into some water just so I can pick up that. Okay. All right. So it's coming this way. It's a little bit thicker towards the bottom. And I want a shadow on this side, just like the posts. Made a mistake again. Get that out of there. Okay. All right. So, and coconut trees have little lines going up. just using a lighter color for that so you can see them. Okay, I think I'm going to have the leaves go this way. I think I'm going to have another one on this side. Let's see. I'm just kind of making this up as I go from things that I like. Oh, I know I want coconut trees. So let me put one. That's more let's see. Put one between here. It's not as high as the other one. I'm gonna get this one to start a little bit closer down here. Down here a little more. I'm gonna have to do some work here just to separate. Well, I'm gonna have sea oats coming in front of it anyways, so let me put dark. Let's see. So the light's coming from here, so it's gonna be on the dark side. And then get some of this lighter color. What I'm doing is I'm just highlighting where the light is hitting. It's coming from the ocean, so it's gonna hit the trees on the edge because the light's gonna be behind the tree but coming over a little bit. And I think I'm gonna add some more highlights to the posts here. Okay. Skinnier brush. This one's super skinny. All right, let's see here. Get this. You gotta put darks in because otherwise the lights won't show up. There. weathered, so you want to make them not perfect. They're not perfect. They've been out in the ocean. They've been sitting there for a while. Went through hurricanes and everything. I'll probably be doing some line work on these also to bring them out some more. Trees, and I'm going to use this little fan brush here, and that helps me make, since you have so many lines coming from the leaf, so wet it a little bit. I'm going to start with my dark colors. You can't put too much paint on these brushes, otherwise it won't show. Oh wow, okay, this is coming out this way. Looks like the wind is going that way. So it's blowing the leaf that way. Okay, let me do this other one here. Okay, now I'm gonna highlight and put so that it really shows up nice. I'm just putting another dark on here. Different color dark. These leaves, if you really look at the coconut tree, they have a lot of colors in them. A lot of different shades of green and a lot of different yellows in there. And other shade here. It's kind of a different color shade. I'm just gonna put it here and there. too much, not too much. Okay, so since there's a lot of golden light coming through, yeah. Put in some highlights now. Okay, I can use these same colors for the sea oats, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put those in. Let's see, there are some darks. Let me put the darks in first. Mimic those. They have really pretty little, sometimes the vines go into the sand. Okay. As you start to get into details, you need smaller brushes so that you can really highlight these things. Some of these sea oats are coming way up above all the other ones, so let me make a little bit. All right, well, I'm gonna see, this is my pole. Okay. because I've got so much paint here. I'm gonna just do some highlighting here. Like the rim of the... I gotta connect the leaves, that's for sure. Gotta connect it to the tree. Put some, let's put a couple coconuts, I guess. Let's put a coconut right here. They're still green. I do have a little bit of this color in here. Just some. Alright, how's that looking? It's looking pretty good. Decide what little saying or verse I'm going to put here, but and I'm going to come back with my ink, and I'm going to let this dry, and I'll come back with the ink and see what I can do to highlight this a little better. Okay, I'm back. Everything is dry. What I did is I decided on Psalm 16:11. You will show me the path of life. In your presence is fullness of joy. At your right hand are pleasures forevermore. Psalm 16:11. And what I did is I looked it up on Bible Gateway, and then copied it onto a Word document, and then I just put 3 different sizes because I wasn't sure what would fit in my little path here. I don't have that much room. So what I did is I put it on tissue paper, printed it on tissue paper. I put the tissue paper the size of the regular sheet of paper, and then taped it on with some tape at the top, just in 3 spots, so it would go through the printer, and then taped it on the bottom so it wouldn't crunch up on me. So now I've got my tissue paper. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see which one, because I can see through this, so it's easier for me to see it's gonna fit. And this one fits perfect, the smallest one, because I don't think this one's not gonna fit. Well, I guess it would. It goes into the water too much. How about this middle one here? This one kind of fits. I don't know. I think the smaller one is the best one, though. That one fits perfect. So, what I'm going to do, I'll save those for another project. And this, I'm going to just trim it down as best I can here. It's gonna fit right in there. What's gonna happen is the tissue paper is gonna disappear. I'm gonna use matte medium gel to put it on, and you'll see that once I lay it down, it's going to disappear into the I'll use this brush here. Alright, so I'm going to put some matte medium down here and brush it all around where the paper's going to go. Okay, lay it right down in there. And then you brush some of that same matte medium on top. You can't brush it too much because the thing with the printer, the ink might smear, so you don't want to play with it too much. It's smearing a little bit, so I'm just brushing it where there's no ink. That way it'll stay. Alright, I'll let that dry now. Let that dry. In fact, I'm going to help it along here. Alright. So how does that look? As good as I can get it for now. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get an ink pen. Let me try this one here. This is Macron 05. I'll make sure it's okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do some line work just to highlight and while I was gone I didn't videotape this part, but I added the rope to connect all the poles, and I added a few little flowers down here. The little vines make like a purple flower, purple pinkish flower. Trunk. And the coconuts. And there's all kinds of little scraggly things happening here with the coconut tree. squiggly lines in here. Seashore, waves. Alright. Oops, I gotta do this one here. Now let me do a little bit in the leaves here. These little these coconut trees are being blown by the wind, so I like to make them free and not stiff, because every little leaf is doing its own little thing. All right, and put a little bit here. Alrighty, I think I'm pretty much done. How does that look? I hope you enjoyed going in this little daydream to the beach. It's pretty much like me. I like when I finish painting a beach theme like this, I feel like I just came from the beach. I feel like I've been there the whole time, which is kind of nice. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you have a wonderful day, nice sunny beachy day, and breathe in that great salty air, and praise the Lord, because in Him we do have fullness of joy and pleasures forevermore, and it's such a hope that we can have in Him. God bless you. Bye-bye. Until next time.